Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2004 Harley-Davidson SOFTAIL DEUCE. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 23,006 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a new headlight, a new running light, new front turn signals, a correctly mounted license plate bracket and an operational plate light, mirrors, throttle operations issues addressed, steering issues addressed, a DOT decibel compliant exhaust, and bigger foot pegs. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the choke cable is broken and the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes on the passenger foot peg, a paint blemish on the fuel tank, and a hole in the driver's seat. This bike has one key and has been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust, an aftermarket Stage 1 intake, meat hook handlebars, chrome switch housings and switches, grips, chrome reservoir covers, a speedometer visor, a fuel cap, an aftermarket headlight, tail light, turn signals, forward controls, shift linkage, primary cover, tank console, aftermarket wheels, braided lines and cables, chrome levers, a Harley-Davidson seat, a passenger backrest, rider and passenger foot pegs, rear axle caps, a vertical plate mount, plate light, horn, fork covers, a chrome radiator cover, brake pedal, and aftermarket spark plug wires. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.